14108, ozone in the upper atmosphere can be destroyed by the following two-step mechanism. Step number 1 right here, step number 2 right here. And then it says, what is the overall equation for this process? Well, to find the overall equation, you take everything on the left-hand side and everything on the right-hand side and write it together. And then, if anything is exactly the same, you can cancel it out. So let's go through and write everything on the left-hand side together in one spot, and then everything on the right-hand side and put that together in one equation. Alright, are there any things that cancel out with one another? Well, it looks like we have a Cl on this side and on this side, and so those are something that might make the reaction go faster but aren't consumed in the reaction themselves. And so those might be something that are a catalyst because they're present at the beginning and the end. And then the ClO are present here. They're a product of the first part, and they are a reactant in the second part. So notice how they are produced but then used up right here. And so those would cancel out of the overall reaction, but we say that those would be formed what's called an intermediate, because they formed but then they were used up right away again. So what's left over? Well, what's left over is the overall reaction, and so the overall reaction would then be O3 plus O, and this goes to 2O2, which of course is balanced as well. And so we can answer the other questions. What is the catalyst? Something that is present at the beginning and the end, beginning and end of the reaction. And then what is the intermediate that's formed? The thing that's formed right here, and then the thing that is used up right here again, and those cancel out, and those are our intermediate in the reaction. That's 108.